take a look at short spine. Short spine is done on 2 yellow springs, and for convenience, we can leave the foot bar up. The headrest needs to be completely flat, so if it's lifted, place the headrest down. Come to the handles and thread the leather loop through the wood handle and pull it through. Hang it up on the silver peg. Let's take the other handle, thread the loop through, slide it through, and hang it up on the silver peg. Now we're ready to begin. Turn to face the foot bar, slide all the way to the front, hold the end of the mat and roll yourself down so that you're right next to the shoulder blocks in the middle. If your foot bar is up, you can use it for convenience to press out or just to rest your feet momentarily. Reach back, grab hold of the loops, hold low. So avoid holding in the loop where you're going to place your feet, or I should say hold up high. Now with the loops open, engage your core, lift your knees, and bring your feet right into the loops and pull your heels into your hips, bending your knees. Press your arms down by your sides. So to start the short spine, we'll do 3 frogs to prepare. Inhale, press out on a diagonal where the straps stay off the shoulder blocks. Exhale, bend and return. Inhale, straighten, exhale, bend. One more, inhale out, straightening the legs on the diagonal, exhale, bend. Now we'll go to the short spine. Inhale, press out to straighten your legs. Exhale, stand into your loops, peel your hips and spine up and over so you're on your shoulders. Inhale, bend your knees down to the shoulder blocks. Exhale, roll your spine into the mat and fold your heels into your hips. Let's take that again. Inhale, press out to straight legs in the frog. Exhale, curl up and over onto your shoulders. Inhale, bend the knees. Keep the tension in the straps. Do not allow them to go slack. Exhale, roll your spine into the mat, draw your belly in, and then fold your heels into your hips, drawing them down. Let's take one more. Inhale, press out. Exhale, up and over. When you come up and over, avoid turning your head side to side. Just look straight up towards your knees. Inhale, bend your knees. Exhale, roll down, 1 vertebra at a time. And then from the back of the hip, pull your heels back in to return. To climb out, grab hold of the wood handles, and then take your fingers and hold the loops, slip them off your feet, close the springs, release the loops, and hang up your handles on the silver pegs. You can roll to the side, press into the top block, and roll all the way up to seated. And that's short spine. Thanks for watching.